GHD Air Dryer. GHD dryer comes with 2 speeds, 3 heat settings and a cool short button. It dries hair fast and leaves hair smooth and silky. Conair Hair Dryer. Ceramic and tourmaline makes a great combination when it comes to blow drying. When it comes to heat styling tools, it's a good idea to choose ceramic material.
I love my Infinity Pro blow dryer by Conair. This is how I get my morning started every day. It has an advanced ceramic technology to help my hair dry really fast, but also leaving it very healthy. I have almost no frizz from using this blow dryer, and it always leaves my hair looking silky and shiny. The most important part about this blow dryer is that it minimizes heat damage, and that's so important. Also, when I want curly hair, this diffuser that comes with the blow dryer does just the trick. I just got home from a very long day, and from styling my hair this morning with my Conair blow dryer, it still feels amazing.
IONIC Goldpro Dryer. The IONIC dryer was designed to dry your hair with less heat. With this, you will get a barrel made with 24 karat gold.
This is looking amazing.
I love it.
So this is our Goldpro dryer. Of course, the perfect companion to all of our curling irons, all our brushes and our styling irons. This dryer actually has 1875 watts, and you wouldn't even think so because it's not really even that loud. It's pretty lightweight, and this dryer has 24 karat gold infused barrel, which is going to give you a higher consistent heat. Our mineral complex does a couple different things here. It breaks up the water into smaller pieces so it dries faster, but it also allows that moisture to get deeper inside the hair so we can keep it hydrated. Dry hair without drying it out. So you get a faster blow dry with a better feel. You have this much hair and it's going to hold so much water, you need something that has power. This looks gorgeous.
I love it.
It looks great on you.
Thank you.
Remington Hair Dryer. The Remington Hair Dryer gets the job done well without breaking the bank. With its affordable price, you will be surprised by how well it works. Dyson Hair Dryer. It has a digital V9 motor in the handle. and a microprocessor that monitors air temperature 20 times per second.
Milled to a tolerance of 15 microns, the heart of a new kind of hairdryer is a 13-blade axial flow impeller. It spins up to 110,000 times per minute with one inaudible frequency. So it's faster and lighter than some other motors, which sit in the head and can make them top-heavy. Engineered for balance, this motor sits comfortably in the handle. Motor vibration is reduced, while air temperature is monitored 20 times a second and regulated by a microprocessor, which helps prevent extreme heat damage to protect natural shine. There's even space in the head for air multiplier technology to triple airflow for fast drying. Dyson Supersonic.